Hello, Magical Familia. So today I'm opening a box from Walt Life, but this one is their Star Wars one, and it is the WaltWars box. Yay! Ooh, I like those. So the first thing that I see in here is this Kylo Ren piggy bank. My coins in there. The next thing that I see in the box is this mystery collection. A pin. Ooh. There's two? Okay, it does say that. It says 9-pin collection, 2 pins randomly packed in each box. Okay, I got excited. I was like, ooh, there's an extra one. Okay, so for the first mystery pin. I should always keep scissors handy. Oh, it's the Princess Leia. See her very well. I'll do close-ups after. And the second one is Luke Skywalker. Oh, I like that one. I love them both. I'll do close-ups afterwards, but I love them both. I love pins. Oh, yes. So the next thing in the box is this Art of Coloring Journey to Star Wars The Last Jedi keepsake coloring book. This is cute. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll do a little flip through. Ah! Okay, I'm excited. And I just got some colored pencils, so yes. Oh, okay, I'm so excited for this. Ooh, so this is a lanyard pouch with a charm. This is gonna come in so handy when I go back to Disney. Look, oh, I love this. And the last thing in the box is this Pilot Droid Rex. This is the Metal Earths. I've never done one before. I've always wanted to, and now I'm gonna do it. I'm so excited for this. It's a 3D metal model kit. Oh, Nick is gonna love this. Nick is gonna do this. He'll probably do this before me. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and show you again what I received in the box. Thank you so much, Walt Life. And this one is the WaltWars, their Star Wars subscription box. So if you like it, let me know in the comments and I will share with you my code, and I will also share with you my link down below. Thank you so much for joining, and until next time.